What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to make your iPhone never turn off by adjusting its screen timeout settings. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone and tap on Display and Brightness. Once you are in Display and Brightness, look for the Auto Lock option and tap on it. In the Auto Lock menu, select Never to prevent your screen from automatically turning off. However, keeping your screen on all the time can drain your battery quickly. If you are worried about battery usage, you can instead choose the Always on Display option if your device supports it. This feature dims your lock screen while keeping important information like the time, your widgets and notifications visible, all while using less power than a fully lit screen. If you don't see these options on your iPhone, it might be because your device isn't running the latest version of iOS. To update your iOS version, go back to the main settings menu, tap on General, and then select Software Update. Download and install any available updates, and then check the display and brightness settings again. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.